Hi there, students. Blight. Okay, a blight, a noun, countable and uncountable. To blight as a verb, and maybe even as an adjective, blighted. Okay, let's see. To blight, to spoil. A blight, something that slows down growth or development or spoils something, particularly something that lasts a long time. So, yeah, drugs are a blight on society. We have been blighted by this COVID virus. It's something that spoils or has a bad effect on something, particularly when it's long lasting. His career as an athlete was blighted when he broke his leg very seriously. Okay, a blight, the first and main meaning is it's a disease that damages and kills plants. I'm thinking of the potato blight. Okay, it's where the leaves go brown and then the plant just starts to die very suddenly. A blight can be caused by a bacterium, a virus, a fungus, and okay, so if a plant is blighted, then it's got this disease and it's going to die. His chances of winning the competition were blighted by his bad performance in the third round. Okay, so he performed badly, and that spoiled his chances. Yeah, to spoil, to ruin, to destroy. His the fact that he didn't finish school is going to blight his chances of getting a good job. Yeah, it's going to make it much more difficult. It's going to spoil it. It's going to make it much, much, much harder. Okay, so blight. Something that harms, something that ruins, that decreases the value. So the company has been blighted with bad luck. Yeah, maybe bad management, but bad luck's an easy way to describe it. Okay, something that has a deleterious effect on something that ruins. Yeah, something that stops it, stops something progressing. I guess you could call an ugly building a blight. This building is a blight on our beautiful urban landscape. Yeah, it's ugly. Yeah, it's like an eyesore. Illness blighted any chance he might have had to finish his studies. Okay, urban blight. Yeah, deteriorated or a ruined area. Yeah, but firstly, blight, it's a plant disease, yeah? But then we use it, a curse, a suffering, something that is a misfortune, an adversity, a plague, a pest. Okay, so the families in this area have been blighted by unemployment. Okay, they are suffering from it. Notice very often as well we use to cast a blight on or to cast a blight over. So yeah, everybody was celebrating, but then there was some bad news, and this cast a blight on the celebrations. My uncle getting drunk and being rude to everybody cast a blight on the party. Okay, so it frustrated it, it ruined it, it stopped it being as enjoyable as it might be. We have been blighted by a series of different problems. Uh, Poverty and disease blighted the lives of this group of people. Yeah. Okay. The city tried to reduce urban blight by redeveloping brownfield sites. Brownfield sites. Okay, this is sort of semi-industrial. Yeah, but a blight, something that destroys. I don't know. Violence is an unnecessary blight on our society. Uh, the city centre is blighted by drunken people on a Saturday, late on a Saturday night. So, to blight. Yeah, if you translate from your mother tongue, it's always into English. It's always going to blight your English. So, how formal is this word blight? I think I'd give it a 6 in formality. It sounds a little bit literary, a little bit on the formal side, but I think you could use you could use it in an informal conversation just about. A problem, a long-term problem perhaps. And then as to origin, well, there's an old English word, blico, which is talking about leprosy or paleness. Yeah, something about the skin itching. And yeah, clearly, leprosy was a blight for humans, and maybe it comes from an old Norse word, blikana, to become pallid, to become pale, probably related to the word bleak as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blighted.